Yeah, but that coach
They gonna put that blame on your
coach don't want a Super Bowl.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like.
Don't want a Super Bowl.
And then they do that shit. Oh man, they gonna put all the blame on his Jerry Jones. It was your fault, nigga. You always have something to say.
So I know he know what he doing. He know what he doing. That coach.
Mm-hmm.
He said he calling the plays, all that this shit. So everything on point. That's what I'm saying.
So that means all the blame gonna be on your ass, basically. What you try to make it.
That's what he wanted.
All right then.
That's what he want. That man don't want a Super Bowl.
That's what I want too.
He know what he supposed to be doing.
I want him to show Jerry Jones' ass up. Yeah, he could have been shut his ass up. Could have did something.
He can't shit Jerry, bro. Let me tell you something. There's a whole lot of people in the world want to be friends with Jerry. I ain't playing with you, Mike. Jerry was in everything.
And Jerry's world.
That boy in with him too. The fight Saturday.
I heard about that shit.
Yeah, Spencer, Jerry, because Jim Jones promoted him, when he had that fight down there in his, Jerry's house.
Okay.
He met Jerry and Jerry Jerry on Spence's team now.
Okay. Gee, he going down then. So.
But Jerry was a valuable man to know.
Yeah.
Anybody in the world, him and Mike?
I believe that.
Yeah. Look at all those folks.
They throwing money out at you.
Mayweather and them, all of them.
Yeah,
they will, man. Yeah.
Money team.
But he a good person to have in your pocket.
But I can't.
Because he makes shit happen like this here.
Did they ever find you remember that shooting that happened in that store? With that little kid and his daddy ran off? Did they ever find it there? That Mexican went up and boom, and his daddy was a getaway driver.
That kid.
What?
His daddy done went to trial.
Yeah, I know his
daddy done went to trial. He in trial or something now. He might done went or he in trial now.
But damn.
They ain't done found the joker.
God.
Right there in the Grove.
Yeah.
No, he 14 years old, Mike.
Damn, he done got away.
That nigga came back and goddamn boy with his goddamn wife beat on.
I said, what? And your daddy will get away.
Shit, ooh, they gone. So,
yeah, that's crazy shit.
You know what that man in Mexico? He ain't mad.
Yeah, he in Mexico, man. We ain't gonna find that boy. That boy gone. He knew where the hell he was going. Right when he did that, he was gone.
Yeah.
You don't want them bullshit ass buses gone.
They know how to get rid of your weight already, Mike. I'm telling you, that's some fast.
They already gone.
They already got a flag back.
I'm on my way. Okay.
You know when I was working for that.
Got your house in the back. Already ready.
When I was working in the they got a line out. When I was working over there.
Damn, I can't believe that shit.
This Mexican truck driver. You know that company, they sell old trucks when they get through, when they don't.
Oh yeah, they ship them.
Yeah, those nonsense.
Ship them down there for tip. Yeah.
He said, I bought this truck.
Ship it down there and get it. You flip it. Flipping the game on.
Yeah, them jokers ain't playing, man. Yeah, they buy everything, send to Mexico. They'll tell you what they want, don't they, Mike?
Yeah.
I told you the little Mexican man standing next door to me. Wrote them out.
Yeah, them dogs.
I don't know what he's doing. Them dogs. That man got. I'm telling you, but he got it like a haven for him.
Yeah.
He did a lot of work on it. Yeah, he keep him, but he can't out, Mike. Yeah. Sometimes he'll come out there like on Saturday or something. He'll bring him out. You hear Saturday. He got puppies. He got demonstration in the van where he
clean them all out. Clean the kennel
out. No, he came off.
Oh, okay. Shoot, go play.
Like they got pup. They got he got something going on. He got something going on.
That's what's up.
But Mac had me to ask us to Mac wanted to buy one. He said he sell them for $400 a piece. He got purebred huskies though. You hear me, Mike?
That's what's up.
I told you about the dad of them, dog.
Yeah, he just walked by like, what's up, my nigga?
I told you the hood dog got on his ass.
Yeah,
I didn't
you can't be walking there like that, bro.
No, that's a good dog too, Mike. No, that's a good dog. Listen, Mike.
You can't be no nerd to the hood. You can't be no nerd to the hood.
Listen,
get on his ass.
So I'm out there one day. Cause he ain't got what he knows how to get out and everything.
Yeah, you say that.
Get out, walk. Cause I don't come out there. I just come out there. He be out there looking for him, trying to see where he went. Whatever. I see him. But you know what? He walked. tell you I'm out there drinking beer or something, that mother walk right by.
See, that
Don't look